Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. A Killer Sudoku in the puzzle page of today's newspaper, Saturday, February the 25th, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with 4 stars, so 3 puzzles are left. Killer Sudoku, the binary, and the tectonic. Yeah. Well, I will start with the second one, the Killer Sudoku number 6022. 6022, yeah. 6022. And we have here 4 given numbers. Well, for Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. 20 to 30 minutes. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in additional, for 20 to 30 minutes, it's a 3 stars puzzle. Alright. We'll see, so let's get started. 4 given numbers, the 2 and the 5, in a triple box of 14, that means 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Here we have a given number 4 in a box of 7. That means the combination here will be 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Here we have the given number 5 in a box of 9. So here the combination will be 5 plus 4. Alright, my first strategy is to look for big squares. We have 9 big squares with 1 sharing box. This big square has 1, 2, 3 sharing boxes. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1. Yeah. This one has 1, 2. This one is completed here. If you count on all these numbers, the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column, hey, this column has 1 sharing box, is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. Okay, if I count all these numbers, I will know what number these 2 boxes together. Then I will know what number this will be. Okay. So, double 12 is 24. Plus 2 is 26. 26 plus 11 is 37. So, 45 minus 37 is an 8. These 2 boxes together should be an 8. That means in this triple box of 10, that box should be a 2. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Alright, now we have here 2 sharing boxes, but this column has 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So, double 11 is 22. 22 plus 15 is 37. 37 plus 7. 37 plus 7 is 44. So 45 minus 44 is 1. Alright, so 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Okay, this one is completed. Here I need 2. Okay. Now, alright, this one is here. No, more sharing boxes. Let me see. Next strategy is to look for boxes with one combination. Let me see. For example, let me check first. Are there any boxes with one combination? Well, will be difficult. Well, yeah, we have a box of 16. The only combination for the box of 16 is 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. Okay. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 8. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 8, of course, otherwise the combination will be 8 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. The lowest number I can use is number 1. So the 8 should be one of these 3 boxes. That means the other 2 boxes should be a 4. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Well, the box of 4, there's only one combination for the box of 4. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. Well, we have a 1 here. 3 plus 1. So here can be 1. 1 could be here, could be there. And the 3 could be everywhere. Okay. 3, 1, 8. That means 2 boxes left in this big square for number 1. 2 is missing. And the combination here will be 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6. Alright. Okay. 4, 17, yeah. I'm here in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. Well, I cannot place the 6 in the box of 12. We have here 2 boxes of box of 12. Otherwise, I need another 6. Double 6 is not allowed. So the 6 should be in the box of 11. Combination will be 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5. Alright. 6 and a 1. 6 and a 4. Okay. Let me think. Well, we have 2 in this column, third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 15, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 13. 13 is not allowed. The highest number I can use is number 9. So the 2 should be in the box of 11. Combination will be 2 plus 9, 2 plus 9. Alright. Okay. Then, next strategy is to look for boxes with not one combination, but 2 combinations. For example, the box of 5. There are 2 combinations for the box of 5. 1 plus 4 or 2 plus 3. Well, the 2 is already used in this column. So 2 plus 3 is not possible anymore. So the 1 and the 4 goes here. 1 and the 4, okay. Here, the box of 15, there are 2 combinations for the box of 15. 7 plus 8 or 9 plus 6. The 7 is already used in this big square, so I cannot use 7 and 8. So it should be 9 and 6. 9 and 6. Okay. One of the missing number here is the number 8. Well, I cannot place the 8 in the box of 7. Otherwise, 8 minus 1. Minus 1 is not allowed. Lowest number I can use is number 1. So the 8 should be here. In this box of 15, the combination will be 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Okay. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. Only possible to place the 3 is in the box of 7. The combination will be 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. That means we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can't be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 1. And that box should be a 4. Alright. 1 and a 5 here. We have a 1 and a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, the 1 and the 5 in the third column. So the 1 and the 5 goes in these 3 boxes. In this triple box of 14, that means one number is left. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Okay. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. You see here 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here 4 in the third row, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be here in this triple box of 21. Those 2 boxes together should be 17. And 17 is a box with only one combination, yeah. 8 plus 9, 8 plus 9. We have an 8 in one of these 3 boxes in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 9 should be there in this triple box of 17. That means those 2 boxes together should be an 8. Okay, 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. Okay, 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Well, I cannot place the 7 in the box of 6, of course. Otherwise, 7 minus 1 is not allowed. Lowest number I can use is number 1. So the 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. In the box of 10, the combination will be 7 plus 3. In the box of 6, the combination here will be 1 plus 5. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. 2 and a 6. Yeah, I need to wait. If I place the 6 here in the box of 10, then the combination will be 6 plus 4. And look, the 4 is already used in this big square. So I cannot place the 6 there. The 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. In the box of 10, the combination will be 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Here we have a triple box of 17. Those 2 boxes together should be an 8. So 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. 2 numbers left now in the last column for numbers. 1 is missing here, 1 and 8. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Yeah. Alright. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. Well, I cannot place the 6 here in the box of 12. Otherwise, I need another 6. Double 6 is not allowed. So the 6 should be here in the box of 13. The combination will be 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7. We have a 7. This row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 6 goes and there. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 now in this middle row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes and there. 9 and 6, we have a 9 now in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. I've marked these 3 boxes with 1, 5, 8. 1, 5, 8. And look, we have a 1 and a 5 in this row. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So this box should be an 8. All right. 2 and a 9, we have a 2 now in the first row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes in there. 3 and a 6, we have a 3 now in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then. Let me think. Yeah. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. In a box of 12, the combination will be 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. In a box of 11, the combination here will be 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. 1 and 8, we have an 8 now in the middle row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Well, yeah. Well, I need to wait here. Need a 5. Need a 1. Okay. Yeah. Suppose the 5 here. Suppose it's a 2. It's a 6 then. Yeah. Suppose I place a 2 here. That means 2 plus 4 is 6. And I need 15. So 15 minus 6 will be a 9 here. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. But we already have a 9 here in this row, so can it be a 9 here? Can it be a 2 here then? So this box should be definitely a 6. And that box should be a 2. Alright. So 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Alright. In the box of 7, the combination here will be 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. Well, I cannot place the 9 in the box of 7. So the 9 should be in the box of 12. And the 1 goes here. In the box of 7, the combination will be 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Here in the box of 12, the combination will be 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Alright, 2 numbers are left here. Oh wait, I've marked this box with 3 or an 8. Well, we already have a 3 here in this row, so this box should be an 8 then. So the 1 and the 3 are left, okay. 1 box left in this row for the number, I believe, 9. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9, yes. In the box of 10, the combination will be 9 plus 1. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be in the box of 8. Combination will be 1 plus 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 2. Well, I could place the 2 in the box of 11 or could place the box of in the box of 9, but we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes, so the 2 should be in the box of 11. Combination here will be 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 2 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Almost finished. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. Then let me see. 1, 2, 2 is missing. And the 8 is missing. Yeah, 2 missing numbers. In this middle column for numbers 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Suppose I place the 8 here in the box of 9, then the combination will be 8 plus 1. The 1 is already used in this big square, so I can place the 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. In the box of 9, the combination here will be 2 plus 7. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. 6 and a 5. We have a 5 now in the last row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 and 8. No. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 now in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 9 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the third column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. The 8 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Wow. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.